nagte-training kami. Singing happy birthday, yes. My classmate in TISDA have a birthday. I will sing happy birthday to her. As a gift. Cook sa birthday. Happy birthday. Ano ang handa mo sa iyong kaarawan? Happy birthday. Sana'y mabusog mo kami.